Thanks for coming back. It's so good to see you. So today I'm going to be opening up Lashybox. So this subscription runs $13.99. It is plus shipping. I paid $16.02. So depending on the subscription you choose, you usually get about 3 to 5 premium lashes. I actually have the Drama box, so I have at least 3 pairs of dramatic lashes. A pair of tweezers. I always lose mine, so having an extra pair is always good. And it's 2 tweezers that came included. So the box itself didn't come with a card which gives you the pricing. So I looked this up online and it runs anywhere from $2.50 to $5. Candy lashes. And they're in the style Hot Tamales. And that is super cute. It's like so fluffy. I think it's such a cute concept, like putting it, it's a decent sized band, which always makes me happy, considering I don't know what I'm doing, so I like extra room to work with. And this runs $9. A pair from Jacky Luvv. It's called Storm. I've actually gotten this pair before in a Glow Addict beauty box. I will put the link right there if you're curious to see more about Storm and see how that works. This one's $14.99. So I have the Zola Lashes. I've actually gotten this before as well. I got it in a Glow Addict box, and I will actually put that right there as well. See my reaction to this. And it is in the style Iris. And these run $24.99. Fernormenal Lashes. Absolutely crazy. It doesn't say what the style is, but it's like beautiful packaging. I love the purple on that, and those lashes look amazing. And these run $18.59. They also included some glue, which is always a plus, so that way I can glue my lashes. Is this black glue? Oh wow, it is black glue. That's a first. That's interesting. I've never actually used black glue before, but I guess it makes sense. I mean, it is black lashes. And they also included a little Lashybox card with their social media information at the back. A coupon for Jacky Luvv, if you're a fan, where you can get 20% off. It's raining right now, so if you hear like pitter patter in the background, it is rain. And I estimated the total value of the box to be anywhere between $70 and $72.57. So those were the lashes that were included. I do want to try out a pair since I already have my eyes all done. And I think I'm going to go for the Fernormenal. They look amazing, and I've never actually tried these before. These have got to be the longest, fluffiest lashes I have ever seen. Holy moly. These Fernormenal are crazy. Look how fluffy they are. Megan and Megan. I don't even know what to say. They're like crazy fluffy. Wish me luck. Alright, I want to mention a few things about the glue itself just before I come up close and show you. It's a lot stronger, and this is very messy. So I do not recommend this for beginners like me. You can see like the dots of the black glue where I messed up. So just so you know, if you see the black glue and you're like, ooh, let me try that out, be very careful. On the lashes themselves, these are, holy cow, super fluffy. I'm just like, whoa, this is a lot more than I anticipated. When you want to make a statement, when you're coming to slay, you just want to, These are those lashes. They're not super soft. I mean, I felt other softer ones. These are just like on a different level of fluff. I've never seen lashes like this. But that's why you go for the dramatic box. Holy moly. So that was Lashybox. If you're interested in subscribing to them, I'll actually leave a link down below. Have a good night. Bye.